Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got 5 themes that we want you all to check out that is in the Samsung theme store, and all the themes that we're going to review today are absolutely free. Okay, with that being said, let's get started with number 1, and number 1 is called Story Between Two Cities. I really like the detail and the HD look of this wallpaper, and this one here is pretty much going to be an energy saving wallpaper as well because it is so dark. I love the detailing of the bricks. I like the buildings that's in the background, pretty much really blends in with the bricks very nicely. Now, this isn't a deal breaker or anything like this. I'm kind of nitpicking, but I wish the icons were a lot darker. What helps this a lot is that they have it written out in white so far as what that application is, but I wish they could have made it a lot darker and not so transparent. Now, the same thing you're going to get in your lock screen, but if you go over to your always on display, you're going to get the same theme as you got in your lock screen and on your home page, and there's nothing you have to do. This happens automatically. It does not do it with every single thing, but this particular thing it does. It's not a bad look, but let's take a look around. So if I go and drop the screen here, this is kind of your theme look. Same thing if I go into settings, you're gonna have an orange and yellow theme. And let's go back out and go into the phone, and this is what it's gonna look like. Now, I really like the theme carried over to the dollar. I like that look. Also, you're gonna get the same thing with your text messages. So if I go into the text message, you're gonna have that theme in the background, and I like the fact that you don't have to do anything. This automatically happens. It's definitely a good look, especially considering that this theme is absolutely free. Let's check out theme number 2 is called Wood, and wood looks really nice. The detailing of it isn't bad. It definitely stands out. It brings everything to the forefront, and I like the look of the icons. Yes, they're going to be round. Here, you're going to have them round, and it's going to be transparent to a degree, but I like this theme a lot better, and you're not going to get that themed out look in the AOD mode. You will for your lock screen, but when we drop this down, you're going to get a different look. Not bad at all. Let's go into the settings. I like this wood grain look in the background. Not bad at all. Let's take a look at our phone dialer, and it brings it here. And we go to the dialer, you get a different look. Very nice. Not bad at all. Let's check out our phone, our messages rather. The message is going to be themed out as well. And once we go into a message, same background. This wood grainy background, tannish kind of color. Not a bad look for a theme at all. I thought it was a good look. Let's check out theme number 3. Theme number 3 is nice. It's called Black Luxury Gear. I love the look and the design of this wallpaper. The theme itself also looks nice. It's squared out. You're going to get gold and blue for the most part so far as your theme color is concerned. Now, these gears I wish were animated, but right now, yes, this is going to be a energy saving wallpaper that's going to save you on battery life for the most part, but the themed out look is pretty nice. I like it. You're going to get the same look in your lock screen as well, and even if you go over to your AOD mode, you're gonna get the same look as well. It's not a bad look at all. I like the gear effect. Now, once we drop this down, you're gonna get purple for your color theme here. You're gonna go into your settings, you get blue and purple here, which is themed out pretty nicely. And we're gonna go to the phone dialer. It's gonna look like this, but the dialer itself, I like the futuristic look. The gold, the blue, and the purple are perfect blend so far as the colors are concerned. And we're going to check out the messages. Of course, we're going to get it in the background. Let's look here. Not bad. You can't really see it, but it is themed out. It is themed out. It's not a bad theme at all. It does look nice. So I thought the developer really did a good job with this one. It really looks futuristic. Again, free for the taking. This is not a bad download at all. Let's check out theme number 4. Theme number 4 is called Glass Spade. Glass Spade is beautiful, but it's also going to be an energy saving theme, which is nice. Now, this gold and black theme really stands out. I like this look. So if you're into black and gold, this is definitely worth the download. You're going to get the same look in your lock screen mode, but in the AOD mode, the theme isn't going to carry over at all. But listen, this theme has something else in store. Now, but before we get to that, I like the detailing of the theme itself. Even for your folder, it has this glass effect look to it. And yes, it's not a bad look at all. Even the placement of your pages as well is different. That theme changes as well. And this swipe effect. Now, not every single theme has this swipe effect, which I think is pretty cool. I thought it was awesome. And we're going to drop it down, take a look at the drop screen, and also we're going to go into your settings, which you're going to get this type of theme here, which isn't bad at all. And let's go back out and take a look at our phone dialer and see what that looks like. And the dollar doesn't look bad at all. You got a spade in the center. You got this detailing again with the icon, which is a beautiful look. I like it. And I like how it's themed out over here with the little spades going down. Detailing of this theme is very nice. Not bad at all. Let's take a look at messages and see what comes up. Go. Yeah, so the theme is going to be themed out with the spade in the background. Not bad. I thought the detailing of the theme could have been a lot better, but still, it's not a deal breaker at all. I love this one, people. I love this one. Let's check out, last but not least, theme number 5. Theme number 5 is called Metallic Liquid, and I like this effect. The design is very nice. Everything stands out. I do like the color blue. You got round icons, and it has a glass look to it as well. Not bad. They did theme out, of course, your pages. Now, it doesn't have that effect like the other one had. The other one was really nice. I wish this one had it too, but it's not a deal breaker at all. You are going to get the same look in your lock screen mode, and of course it's going to carry over to your AOD mode as well, which is pretty cool. Now let's go ahead, let's take a look at it. I like the way this is themed out. I like the difference in the colors. The name of the particular application that you can be able to go into is a different color, so I do like that. And as we go into it, basic simple color theme, blue, not bad. And phone dialer, let's take a look at that one. And yes, you still have this liquid effect. Not bad, not a bad look. And in the background, as you can see, it's going to be themed out with the liquid look. Not bad. Themed out, not bad. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it and you want to see more free themes or even more paid themes, then make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. But also comment on these themes. Let me know which one you liked the most. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.